Most men over 60 get at least one of these shirts wrong, and it's not because they lack style. It's because no one ever told them how powerful the right shirt can be. A shirt isn't just a layer. It's your first impression. And if you're wearing the wrong one, it quietly weakens everything else: your confidence, your presence, your elegance. Watch until the end and discover the 5 most common shirt mistakes men over 60 make, and how to fix each one with simple, timeless upgrades. This video is your toolkit for wearing shirts that don't just fit your body, but reflect your legacy. Let's elevate your look, one collar at a time. The silent damage of the wrong shirt. It starts small. Maybe it's a button-down that feels just a bit off. Maybe the collar's too floppy. Or maybe the color used to work on you, but now it drains the life from your face. The wrong shirt doesn't shout. It whispers that you've stopped paying attention. And at this stage in life, you deserve better. A shirt that's too big, too boxy, or too young-looking doesn't just age you. It creates a disconnect between who you are and how you look. You've built a career, a family, a life of experience. Why wear something that doesn't carry that same level of intention? Many men believe that sticking with what they've always worn is safe. But style after 60 isn't about safety. It's about refinement. And refinement means knowing when it's time for an upgrade. Choosing the right shirt isn't about chasing trends. It's about alignment. You want shirts that align with the man you've become: sharp, grounded, and unapologetically refined. The curse of the casual plaid. Let's talk about the casual plaid, that old weekend warrior shirt hanging in your closet. It might feel familiar, but it often sends the wrong message. Plaid flannel can age you instantly if it's too loose, faded, or untailored. It suggests comfort over presence, and you deserve both. Instead of oversized patterns, look for subtle checks or muted tones in structured fabrics. You're not heading to chop wood, you're heading out into a world that should still take you seriously. A well-fitted, modern check shirt in navy or charcoal speaks volumes without trying too hard. When you upgrade your casual shirts, you're saying something silently powerful: I care. I still lead. I still set the tone. And yes, people notice. That quiet confidence? It's magnetic. Don't throw all your old shirts away. But be selective. The goal isn't to erase your history, it's to evolve with it, with purpose and precision. The tired white dress shirt trap. The white dress shirt, a classic, yes, but also one of the most misunderstood pieces in a mature man's wardrobe. Too stiff, too bright, or too plain, and it can look more like a uniform than a statement. Worse, if it's not tailored, it just looks tired. Opt for ivory or soft white tones that complement aging skin. Pure white can be harsh, drawing out lines and shadows. A softer shade smooths the entire appearance and adds warmth to your expression. And fit is everything. A shirt that bags at the waist or balloons at the arms subtracts years from your dignity. Go for a tailored cut, or have your favorites adjusted by a skilled tailor. The difference is subtle, but stunning. A well-chosen white shirt doesn't scream for attention. It allows you to speak. That's what elegance is: presence without noise. Short-sleeve shirts done right. Short sleeves are tricky. Too loose, and you look sloppy. Too tight, and you look like you're trying too hard. Many men default to short-sleeve shirts for comfort, but end up compromising style without realizing it. Choose shirts with structure and minimal branding. A small collar, clean lines, and neutral colors go a long way. Stay away from loud prints or overly youthful designs. They tend to highlight the age gap instead of bridging it. You want sleeves that hit just above the elbow and follow the contour of your arms, not cling to them, not swallow them. And fabric matters. Lightweight cotton or linen blends add breathability without sacrificing form. When done right, a short-sleeve shirt gives you the relaxed confidence of a man in control of his day, cool, but never careless. The collar matters more than you think. The collar is the handshake of your shirt. It's the first thing people notice near your face, and yet, it's often ignored. A limp, flattened collar instantly drags down your whole look. And a wide, unstructured one adds bulk where you want definition. Opt for semi-spread or button-down collars with subtle stiffness. They frame your face, elongate your neck, and give every outfit a tailored edge, even with jeans. Avoid extreme spread collars or trendy cuts. They don't age well, and neither should you. The collar should support your presence, not fight it. And when it does, something shifts. People look twice. They listen closer. They respect the detail. The truth is, a great collar says more about your discipline than a loud tie ever could. It's quiet elegance. The kind that gets remembered. Color, your secret weapon after 60. After 60, your skin tone changes. Harsh colors like bright red, neon blue, or jet black can make you look washed out or overly dramatic. But most men never update their color palette. They keep wearing what they wore at 40 and wonder why it no longer works. Instead, lean into earthy tones like olive, rust, camel, soft blue, and deep gray. These shades bring warmth to your complexion, softness to your expression, and balance to your outfit. They say maturity without saying old. Color is emotional. A warm tone can make you look kinder, more open. A deep tone can make you look powerful, more grounded. This isn't fashion trickery, it's visual intelligence. You don't need a closet full of color. Just the right ones. And once you find them, every shirt becomes a statement without saying a word. Buttoning up with purpose. Your shirt's buttons aren't just functional. They're expressive. Leaving too many undone can feel sloppy. Buttoning too high can feel rigid. The sweet spot lies in intention, knowing the setting, knowing your body, and choosing how to present yourself. For casual wear, 2 open buttons is the modern gentleman's move. It adds a sense of relaxed elegance without inviting chaos. For dressier moments, go for 1 open button, a nod to ease, but still controlled. Always make sure your shirt lies flat, especially at the chest and collar. A crisp placket makes the difference between just threw it on and this man has standards. Details like this don't go unnoticed. Especially not at your age. When you master how to button and unbutton with subtlety, you command a room. Not loudly, but completely. Your legacy, worn well. Every shirt you wear sends a message. It's not just about cotton and collars, it's about pride, presence, and polish. After 60, style isn't optional. It's essential. Because how you dress is how you show up, for yourself, and for the world. We've covered the mistakes. And we've covered the fixes. Now, it's up to you. Look at your closet with fresh eyes. Keep what reflects your essence. Let go of what dulls your shine. You've come too far to settle for less than sharp. Remember, elegance doesn't retire. It evolves. And with the right shirts, you don't just dress like a gentleman, you feel like one. Confident. Relevant. Unshakable. If this video helped you see your style with new clarity, don't keep it to yourself. Share it. Comment below with your favorite tip. And subscribe for more style wisdom tailored to men who never stop leading.